When you as an adult have an acne, it's an adult acne, and that can be treated too. So keep watching to know more. Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Shetty, your skincare expert at Glamorous.com. Today at the studio, we are going to discuss adult acne. Acne isn't something that magically disappears as you grow older. Adult acne is an equally serious skin concern, which I'm going to talk to you about today. So the funda behind acne is the same, whether you're a teenager or whether you're an adult. And the cause behind it also remains pretty much the same. It's the hormones. When you're an adult and you get an acne, then there is some sort of a hormonal problem, which is pretty serious, which is there to stay unless you go and address and treat it. Your thyroids may be malfunctioning and therefore your skin could be very oily or very dry and then lead to acne. It could be your polycystic ovary syndrome, which is one of the most common things happening today, which means to say your ovaries are getting cystic and therefore they're producing extra hormones, female as well as male. And if you're obese, if you've put on some weight, the female hormone which is produced is again peripherally converted into testosterone in the peripheral fat. So therefore it's a vicious cycle. So you need to lose your weight, you need to consult your doctor, you need to get your hormones sorted. While all this is happening, you need to be using the right skincare regime as well as meet your skincare expert to soften the skin from on top and from within. When we as adults have acne, things get a little more serious and the care becomes a little more extensive. I've also seen most people end up dabbing extra makeup on the acne itself to kind of camouflage it or cover it. Please don't do that, because if you repeatedly dab on the acne, you will only inflame the skin further and cause more harm to that area of your skin. Removal of your makeup becomes really important in this case. So make sure you remove your makeup very well. You could emulsify it with a nice creamy makeup remover first and then wash it with an appropriate face wash. If you have a very oily skin, even if you're an adult, you could use a mattifying face wash or a slightly drying face wash. But if you have a dry skin and if you still have acne, then you could use a nice creamy face wash which just adds the right amount of hydration back to your face. And then you could again use something like a toner or a liquid which just nicely cleanses and leaves the last remnants of dirt or cream on your face completely cleans that up. So once you have really removed your makeup very well, then you have to really think of what is the right moisturizer or replenishing cream that you would want to apply onto your skin. Because you have acne, that doesn't mean you don't need cream. Skin works in a kind of a feedback manner. If the skin feels that it's too dry, it gives a message to your brain saying that, listen, I'm too dry, so overwork and produce more oil. So you don't want that happening. Therefore, moisturizing the skin, even if you have an acne prone skin, even if you have an oily skin, is very important. But what is paramount is to choose the right kind of moisturizer. So you look for something which is more like a milk, like a lotion, which just about balances your skin and just hydrates it back to the adequate amount, not leaving it or taking it towards excessive oiliness. You could stick to more of the water-based lotions or probably some gels. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid in your cream. So these would also help you take care of the acne and the excessive oiliness. Also, a few more causes could be any kind of mental or physical pressure. Skin and hair does not react immediately. So it's important for you to know that even 3 months before or 6 months before, if you have had any kind of stress, you could break up into an acne. Now, there could be a few medication. As we grow up, we have other ailments that we are trying to treat and keep ourselves healthy. So there could be other medications that you are taking which can affect and cause acne. Take a check at that. There could be some other skincare product that you have started which may not have suited you. Maybe some very heavy anti-aging product that you're using at night may not have suited you. You could also check your scalp to make sure you don't have any dandruff. So these are a few things that can kind of keep you under check and make sure you have a healthy, glowing, happy skin. You can email us with any of your skin related queries at beglamorous@gmail.com. Don't forget to state your age and skin type, as this helps us give you a more personalized course of action. Until next time, here's to happy skin.